President Trump, alongside the First Lady, signed the Take It Down Act into law today. The bill gives added protections to victims of digital exploitation. Fox's Connor Hansen is in New York with the latest.
Today, it's my honor to officially sign the Take It Down Act into law. It's a big thing, very important, so horrible what takes place.
President Trump, joined by First Lady Melania, signed the Take It Down Act. The new law gives victims a way to force online platforms to take down non-consensual AI-generated pornographic images, known as deepfakes. It's an issue the First Lady has made a priority.
The well-being of our children is central to our future of our families and America.
In some cases, artificial intelligence has moved faster than legislation can keep up with. It has left victims of the disturbing new trend wondering where they can turn. One of them, just 15 years old, says a classmate was able to generate a deepfake using a photo from her Instagram account and shared it with others on Snapchat.
I felt responsible and began to blame myself and was ashamed to tell my parents despite doing nothing wrong.
Shame, the violation, the loss of control, it all consumes you. We have the legislation to create accountability. Now we need the will to act.
The law, authored by Texas Senator Ted Cruz, will force companies to take the content down within 48 hours after a victim reports it. It doesn't only apply to AI images, but any intimate photo that doesn't have the consent of the person in it. The new law gives the Federal Trade Commission the power to punish any company that doesn't comply. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox News.
The Supreme Court is allowing the Trump administration to revoke protected status for more than 300,000 Venezuelans, which could expose them to deportation. The decision reverses a Biden administration ruling that allowed Venezuelans temporary protected status because of the political instability in Venezuela. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem ended the designation in February, but a federal judge in California blocked her move at the end of March. A federal appeals court would not provide emergency relief to the administration, which forced President Trump to seek out the Supreme Court's intervention. The ruling will affect a group of more than 300,000 Venezuelans whose protection would have expired in April. It also affects another 300,000 whose protections are expiring in September.